So here I have the ZY530 Pro Absolute Beginner Plane.
Not bad at all.
So the ZY530 Pro is a fantastic little, very light beginner plane. I've been flying this for the last couple of days and truly enjoying it. I've been wanting to get in fixed wing for a little bit, so since I had the opportunity to try this one out, I decided I wanted to go ahead and do that, and I'm telling you, I've absolutely loved it. I was really skeptical in the beginning, thinking that this might not be the most pleasurable experience because it's really a toy. The only thing that I noticed about it was it would nose up quite a bit, so I had to put a little bit, like less than an ounce of hot glue underneath the nose, and I was able to get it out, fly it with a pretty decent result. What's in the box is the plane itself, landing gear, the controller, one battery, a USB charger for that battery, one set of extra props, and some instructions. Honestly, you don't need to know too much from these instructions, just basically how to use the controller to trim up the plane if it needs it, and that's basically it. I've just taken it out, charged the battery up, and went out and flew. This is a nice little plane to get started with, and one of the things that I do love about it is you really only have two things to worry about: your direction and your throttle. You manage the throttle to keep it level or to make it climb, and then you just change the direction, which actually speeds up or slows down one of the props in order to change direction. So it doesn't have any real control surfaces on it for you to worry about. For that reason, it gives you only two things to focus on while you're flying it, and to me, it makes it fantastic for beginners. You can get used to the direction of the plane, where it's located at, and keeping track of where it is and where it's going without having to worry about too many of those other control surfaces and what's going on around it before you get into a more upgraded plane. And that's why I like it. If you pick one of these up for you or one of your loved ones, I almost guarantee you're going to have a great time with it. Just my personal opinion, I think it's fantastic. Thank you so much for stopping by. Get out and fly while the weather's still good for it. Have an absolutely fantastic day, and I look forward to talking to you in a future video.